Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. And today we make a dish called Chinese lamb stew. And Chinese name is called羊肉泡馍. This dish is very famous in my hometown. Okay, we make a bread. A bread is kind of like a dumpling dough. So I will make a dough, and this dough is we make this dough. Use this dough to make a bread. It's without the yeast. So we first get a 6 cup of wheat flour. We use unbleached wheat flour. 6 cup wheat flour. This is 2 cup and 1/4 cup of cold tap water. We mix our dough. And this is 6 cup of wheat flour. If you use hand or use chopstick and begin go one direction to slowly make it. Don't add the water all into it once. Just slowly make it like you make a dumpling dough. Yeah, you can control the water. If you want to do more soft, you can add a little more water. Or if you don't want to do hard, you can reduce the water. It's all up to you. You can control it. If you're a mixer, you also use a mixer to do it. Too easy to use. You got to just make a dough. This dough we make for bread. It's a bread without yeast. This bread is very popular in my hometown. I eat when I was little kids. It's harder to use a chopstick to do it. And I will use my hand because my hand already washing. So when you make the dough, you need to make sure your hands are clean. So this is just roll it or roll all the wheat flour into this dough, and also make the hand is clear, dough is mostly clear, and the pot is clear. That's 3 clear rules. Remember, we can't make it this dough very all smoothly at the beginning, because we still need to let the dough to stay there for a little while. So this way, at least for 15 to 20 minutes, so that then you roll again, so the dough will be very perfect. Now you can see the dough is mostly like and the wheat flour in pot and mostly done. But dough is still not smooth. We just leave the dough here and for 15 to 20 minutes, then we roll again. Cover the dough with a little cover it, and put a cover on the top to cover it. Let the dough stay there for 15-20 minutes. And we roll after 15 minutes, and you can get the water on the lid. Then we just roll the dough again. Right now it's boiled, so it's not very hard, it's very easy to roll. The dough right now become very soft. So just roll it and smooth the dough to get all the with flour off the pot. Just take a pot and stretch it and pull down roll it to the bottom of the scratch the bottom of the pot, side of the pot. Okay, you can see the dough is very smooth and the pot is clear and the dough is very smooth and clear. So we just leave the dough here and cover again, let it cover it. Put a blanket, put a cover on, cover it, and just let it stay until we use. This is very important. This way the dough will be slowly be ready. So we just leave it here. Okay, we get our dough out. We just move the roll, we get our dough out, and we roll a little. Just roll it. This will stay probably over 1 hour. Also, can we check the dough? We are not to cut the dough. You see in the dough there's not still some wet flour. That means this dough is not ready, so we need to still roll it. Let it stay. Okay, we just cover it. Put dough here until the dough don't have the wet flour in the middle. And get a dough. Just cut the dough, cut it properly. This dough we make probably make 2 bread. So I just cut it from the middle. Leave the half dough in it and cover it. And I will use the knife and roll this dough. You can see right now the dough don't have a lot of white flour. If just a little is okay, too much white flour so will be not good. So right now we just put the dough here. This is the wheat flour. We just put the wheat flour on top. We get our roller. We can use another roller. This is the roller. Just roll the dough. Roll and move it and roll it and move it. Try to make it be like a pizza. You make a pizza crust. We try to make it not too thick, so it will be thin. Remember this bread we just want to let it cook it very long. We just let it form and not fully cooked. We still will boil it. So if you cook it long, it will be fully cooked. It's okay. I prefer to not fully cooked, so halfly cooked. Okay, you can see this bread it's the same. It's not very thin, not very thick. So we will with the oven set temperature 375. The oven ready with 2 hour rack and but not fully cooked, just halfly. So our oven right now not didn't go to the temperature, so we use a towel to cover it. We don't want the dough to dry, just cover it. And just wait when it's the oven, the temperature is ready, 375. That temperature. Once the temperature go to 375, and then we put the bread into the oven and put on the rack. We get the bread, and we get the rack out and put this bread and then before it's hot. And cook for 10 minutes, then we check it. Well, one bread is in the oven. We will make another another bread. We're just get the other half of the dough.
Yeah.
You put a bit flour on top. You put away and over the roll. Okay, so this bread is ready to cover it. And when the other hard bread come out, we put this in. Okay, after 10 minutes to get our bread out. Bread. Remember, this bread is half cooked. It's not fully cooked. If you want fully cooked, you need to cook it at least 20 minutes. So we don't. For this dough, we just use a halfly cooked bread. So we put it on the sheet to cook down, and we put the other one into just put this on the rack. Okay, it's hot. Okay, we just put it in and cook for 10 minutes. You get enough bread to let it cool down. Oh, it's hot. So cool. Bread, get it out. It's not fully cooked. Put it let it cool down. You just see the bread. Get out. We just halfly cooked. We put it let it cool down. After the bread cool down, we can get the piece of bread and use the hand to cut to small pieces. To tear to small pieces and put it in a pot. Or we can do we use a knife to cut it. You can decide how big you want the bread is. We'll cut it a full of the bread so we all cut it like this. You can cut it decide how big it is. Remember, this bread is not fully cooked. Still half cooked, still raw. So we will follow it. This is the bread with our lamb.